Hey CG, I just wanted to point a couple of things out. Your formulas look good here. There's just a couple of issues with formatting. So what I want to point out is that we want everything to be consistent. So like right here, you applied the thousands formula formatting, but we wanted it in this whole section and this whole section down here too. So not just one cell, but the whole area. And over here, you applied the percentage formatting to this cell, but not the whole area. So I'm going to give you a couple of tips, and I'm not asking you to redo it. I just want you to know that you need to apply it to the whole area and how to do that. So for example, if it asks us to do something in the range C4 through D9, it would look like this in the book, C4 through D9, okay? And we're going to apply something to that whole range. And then if we want non-adjacent cells, we need to use the control key. So we want to apply it to this area, and then C11 through D17. So I'm going to hold my control key down and click and drag and select this area, and then I can go up here and insert my commas and take out my decimal points, and I've got that formatting applied to the whole section. So then I can hit escape to or click away to get rid of my highlighting there. And let's go over here and do the same thing. So I like this formatting is great, but I'm going to highlight all of those cells, hold my control key down and select this non-adjacent area down here. And then I do want a percentage, so I can click there, and we want 2 decimal points. So that will give us percentage with 2 decimals. And then I click away. The other area, we want this to look sort of like a table. So this whole area is supposed to be formatted the same as model and increase. And I think now, since you've got the format in a couple of areas, the easiest thing to do is going to be to click our format painter twice to lock in format painting, and then go ahead and paint the rest of the cells that we want like that. That way we don't have to go back around and fiddle around with what we want exactly, because we've already got it in a cell. Same thing here, the total row, we want that whole row formatted like you have F9 and B9 formatted. So I'm going to click twice on Format Painter to lock that format painting in, and I'm going to do my 2 rows. You'll notice it took out our commas there, and it might be that we're doing things in a different order than was asked in the book. I'm just sort of doing what I remember here. So I'm going to put the commas back in, but that's not a big deal. So this is what I want you to know, is that when you see a formula range like this, then you want to apply that formatting to the entire range.